Hey friends, if you wish to check SSD performance on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and go to Task Manager. On the list on the left hand side, you can go to the Performance tab. Now you'll find something called as Disk, and under that it would mention SSD. Click on it and it will show all the parameters. Okay, so if it is working fine, it means that it's working fine. Okay, obviously you could run the WMIC command, but that doesn't tell you the status of the SSD, and using third-party software products is not reliable either, because they may be reliable for RAM and all, but not for SSD. So this is where you can get a lot of information about your uh, SSD. Does it have a reasonable write speed, or has it decreased? Or is it showing way less capacity than it should have had? For example, a difference of 10 GB is sufficient, but is it way less than that? And what is the active time, and so on. And furthermore, you can go to the processes tab as well and check the disk utilization, the percentage. If it constantly keeps hitting 100%, then either there is some process which is causing this, or the SSD might be insufficient, or it may be faulty. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.